बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pakistan International School e-learning session. Dear students, in the previous lesson we learned about the procedure and steps how to change the wallpaper and screensaver from your desktop or laptop computers using Windows 7. In today's lecture, we will learn about more Windows tools like Windows Explorer, creating a new folder or file, renaming a file or folder, copying and moving a file or folder using the organize menu, deleting a file or folders, gadgets to aid and customizing gadgets. Dear students, before watching a video about other topics, I want to give you the brief introduction of gadgets. Actually, gadgets are small programs that you can place on your desktop for information at a glance. Windows 7 gives you the option to add a calendar, clock, weather information, currency information, information about CPU processing, and some other gadgets. Now, how to add and customize gadgets? You will follow the instructions on your textbook page number 27 and 28 about the gadgets. Read page number 27 and 28 carefully about gadgets to add gadgets and customize gadgets. There are also steps mentioned how to add gadgets and customize gadgets, and then follow the instructions and do the practical on your computer how to add gadgets and customize them. Dear students, now it's time to watch a video about other topics of Windows 7, that are Windows Explorer, creating a new folder and file, renaming a file and folder, copying and moving a file or folder using organize menu, deleting a file or folder.
Are you okay, Goggle? You have been staring at the ceiling for quite some time. What's the matter? I've been trying to copy a file from this folder to this one here. How do I do that, Toggle? There are many ways of doing it, but before we learn how to do that, do you know what's Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer? No. Windows Explorer is a program that helps you in viewing and managing files and folders. Alright, but how does it help, Toggle? First, open Windows Explorer by clicking Start. Then go to All Programs. Then to Accessories. And finally, click on Windows Explorer. What you see now is the Windows Explorer window. Okay, look, Toggle. It is divided into two parts. Yes, it is always divided into two parts called panes. The left pane displays drives and folders, and the right one displays files or folders in the selected folder or drive. Toggle, how can I use Windows Explorer to manage files and folders? Hold on, I'll tell you. But first, let me show you how to view the contents of a drive or folder. To view the contents of a drive or folder, simply click once on any drive or folder in the left pane to see its contents. Okay, and to see the content inside a folder in the right pane. To see the content inside a folder in the right pane, you should double-click on that folder or file. Oh, that was easy. Now I can view all my files and folders. Toggle, can I change the name of a file or a folder? Yes, you can, Goggle. Let me show you how. To rename a file or folder, in the right pane, Click once to choose the file or folder you wish to rename. Click Organize and select Rename. Or else you can right-click the file or folder you want to rename and select Rename. Suppose you want to rename this folder as Assignment. Then type the new name in the highlighted area and press Enter. You will notice that the name of the folder has changed. Thanks, Toggle. Now I can rename my files and folders whenever I require. You are welcome, Goggle. Anything else you want to know? One more thing, Toggle. Please tell me how to create a new folder. Sure, Goggle. To create a new folder, in the left pane of the Windows Explorer screen, click to choose the folder in which you want to create a new folder. Then click New Folder. Or in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen, right-click to open the shortcut menu. Bring the pointer to the New option. Now select Folder. If you want to create a new folder inside another folder in the right pane, you will have to open that folder first. A new folder will appear in the right pane of the screen. Wow! There's the new folder. If you want to rename this folder, type in, say, Projects and press Enter. You will find that a folder named Projects has been created in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen. Okay, now I got it. Thanks. Now I can create as many folders as I want. Toggle, thanks to you, now I know how to view a folder, create a folder, and rename a folder. But now I come to my original question of how to copy a file. Well, Goggle, you can copy both files and folders and you can move them as well. Okay, how do we do that? To copy or move a file or folder, click to choose the file or folder to be copied or moved. Next, click Organize and then Copy to copy a file or folder or Cut to move a file or folder. Alternatively, you can right-click the file or folder to be copied and click on Copy or Cut option from the shortcut menu. Now click the folder where you want the file or folder to be copied or moved. Click Organize, Paste. Or you may choose to right-click the destination folder and click Paste in the shortcut menu. You will find the file or folder copied or moved to the destination folder. That's cool, Toggle. Now I know how to do it. I suppose we can also delete a file or a folder that we no longer need. Absolutely, Goggle. To delete a file or folder, click the file or folder to be deleted. Click Organize and then select Delete. Or else, you can right-click the file or folder to be deleted and click Delete from the shortcut menu. A message box will appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes if you are sure that you want to delete the file or folder. You will find that the file or folder has been deleted. That's great, Toggle. But where do the deleted folders or files go? When a folder or a file is deleted, it moves to the recycle bin. You can view it by clicking the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Thanks, Toggle. Now I know so much about how to use Windows Explorer. Bye for now. I have my football class. Bye, Goggle. See you later.
Dear students, I hope you have learned and enjoyed a lot the conversation of Google and Toggle about Windows Explorer and other tools of Windows 7. There is a worksheet included in today's lecture. Please complete this work and submit me today before 6 p.m. And this is the third and last lecture from chapter number 3. And Alhamdulillah, we have completed the second chapter of our syllabus, chapter number 3. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe.